Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself receiving significant visual attention from a younger woman but felt unsure about what to do? Today, we're going to explore the common mistakes men make when a younger woman stares at them and provide you with positive alternatives to engage her interest. Don't skip out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. We will share a crucial piece of advice for effectively engaging her interest and making a lasting impression. Stay tuned for it. Before we start, anyone looking to revamp their dating approach? Click the link below for a free 60-minute strategy call with one of our coaches. Ready to enhance your interaction skills and understand her interests better? Let's dive in and uncover these essential tips together. 1. Acting desperate. Let's talk about desperation. Desperation can be a major turnoff. Why is this? Let's take a closer look. Desperation often comes across as insecurity and neediness, which can make her feel uncomfortable. It can seem like you're trying too hard to seek her validation, and this can be off-putting. Instead of showing desperation, focus on maintaining your composure and confidence. Show genuine interest without appearing overly eager or needy. This approach helps create a sense of respect and mutual interest. When you act desperate, it can imply that you don't value yourself enough, which can be unattractive. Confidence, on the other hand, is appealing because it shows that you are secure in who you are. It's important to build a connection based on mutual respect and interest, rather than trying to impress or win her over through desperate actions. Avoiding desperation creates a more relaxed and enjoyable interaction. It allows for a natural connection to develop, free from the pressures and discomfort that desperation can bring. A balanced approach shows that you value yourself and are interested in getting to know her genuinely, without the need to appear overly eager. 2. Overthinking the situation. Overthinking can turn a simple situation into a complex problem. Overthinking her stare can lead to unnecessary anxiety and awkward behavior. When you overanalyze, you might miss the opportunity to engage naturally and confidently. Instead of getting lost in your thoughts, focus on staying present and enjoying the moment. This helps in responding naturally and makes the interaction more relaxed and genuine. Overthinking often causes you to second-guess yourself, which can come across as insecurity. Confidence is key when it comes to making a positive impression. Trust yourself and your instincts. If she's looking at you, there's likely a reason, and it's best to respond with a calm and collected demeanor. This shows that you are comfortable in your own skin. Avoiding overthinking allows you to be more spontaneous and authentic. It helps you to engage with her in a way that feels natural and effortless. A relaxed approach shows that you are confident and comfortable, which is much more attractive than someone who is constantly overanalyzing every interaction. Trust yourself and let the conversation flow naturally. 3. Staring back excessively. Let's move on to eye contact. Eye contact is powerful, but there's a balance. Staring back excessively can sometimes send the wrong message. Maintaining eye contact shows interest and confidence, but staring too long can be intimidating or even creepy. It might make her feel uncomfortable or put on the spot. Instead of locking eyes intensely, try making brief eye contact and then looking away occasionally. This approach is more subtle and respectful, showing that you notice her without making her feel uneasy. Excessive staring can come across as aggressive or overly intense, which can be off-putting. It's important to remember that a natural and relaxed demeanor is more appealing. Brief, friendly glances combined with a genuine smile can go a long way in making a positive impression. This shows that you are interested, but also considerate of her comfort. A balanced approach to eye contact creates a more comfortable and engaging interaction. It allows for a natural connection to develop without the pressure of constant eye contact. This way, you can convey your interest without overwhelming her or creating an awkward situation. Keep it light and natural to make the best impression. 4. Approaching aggressively. Your approach is equally as important here. Making the first move is important, but there's a limit. Approaching aggressively can sometimes send the wrong message. Why is this? Let's take a closer look. Making a strong impression is great, but being too aggressive can come off as forceful or intimidating. It might make her feel uncomfortable or pressured. Instead of approaching her with intense energy or over-the-top gestures, aim for a calm and respectful introduction. This shows confidence without overwhelming her. Aggressive approaches can signal desperation or lack of respect for her personal space. A gentle, composed approach is more appealing because it demonstrates that you respect her boundaries. A friendly smile and a simple greeting can be much more effective in making a positive impression than a grand, aggressive gesture. Avoiding aggressive behavior creates a more welcoming and comfortable interaction. It allows her to feel at ease and shows that you are considerate of her feelings. A balanced approach to making the first move shows that you are confident and respectful, making it easier for her to feel comfortable engaging with you. Keep it light and respectful to build a genuine connection. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Ignoring her signals. Let's talk about signals next. Signals are a subtle way she communicates her interest. Ignoring or missing these signals can make her feel like you're not interested or not paying attention. It's important to be aware of her body language, eye contact, and the way she interacts with you. Instead of overlooking these cues, focus on being attentive and responsive. Ignoring her signals can come across as disinterest or even rudeness. It might make her feel undervalued or dismissed. Paying attention to her cues shows that you are interested and engaged. Acknowledge her signals with a friendly smile, a nod, or a light comment to keep the interaction flowing naturally. Being responsive to her signals creates a more engaging and meaningful interaction. It shows that you are in tune with her and value her communication. A balanced approach to recognizing and responding to her signals demonstrates that you are considerate and interested in what she has to say. Keep it light and attentive to build a genuine connection and make her feel appreciated. 6. Bragging or boasting. Confidence is attractive, but bragging has its limits. Why? Bragging about your accomplishments or wealth might seem like a way to impress her, but it can come across as insecure or self-centered. It might make her feel like you're more interested in showing off than in getting to know her. Instead of boasting, focus on having meaningful conversations that allow both of you to share interesting aspects of your lives. Bragging can create discomfort and make the interaction feel one-sided. It can imply that you're seeking validation rather than forming a genuine connection. Sharing your experiences naturally, without exaggeration, shows confidence and humility. It demonstrates that you're comfortable with who you are and don't need to seek approval through boasting. A balanced approach to sharing about yourself creates a more relaxed and engaging interaction. It allows her to feel valued and gives her the space to share about herself too. Being genuine and humble makes the conversation more enjoyable and meaningful for both of you. Keep it light and authentic to build a true connection that goes beyond surface-level achievements. Bonus tip: show genuine interest. And now for our long-awaited bonus tip. Showing interest is essential, but there's a way to do it right. Why is this? Let's take a closer look. Showing genuine interest means paying attention to her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It goes beyond surface-level compliments or rehearsed lines. When you show true curiosity about her as a person, it creates a connection based on mutual respect and understanding. Instead of focusing solely on impressing her, ask about her interests. Listen attentively, and engage in meaningful conversations. Genuine interest is more than just listening. It's about responding thoughtfully and showing that you value her perspective. It helps her feel appreciated and respected, making the interaction more enjoyable and meaningful. This approach demonstrates that you care about her as an individual, not just as someone you're trying to attract. Being genuinely interested also helps build trust and rapport. It shows that you are considerate and empathetic, which are attractive qualities. By focusing on building a real connection rather than just trying to win her over, you create a foundation for a healthier and more meaningful relationship. Keep it light, engaging, and authentic to show that you value her for who she truly is. So now you know what not to do when a woman stares at you. What's next for you? Discover how to regain a woman's attraction after making a mistake, or learn 6 subtle signs a younger woman is checking you out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.